Friends, families, and future clients, welcome to Palma Real Residential Estates in Biñan, Laguna. I'm here to feature their house and lot Samantha model. So please keep watching. Mabuhay! Welcome to Palma Real Subdivision. By the way, itong subdivision na to is very accessible to Nuvali area and accessible din siya sa mga major roads like Calax and South Luzon Expressway. Ayan po, makikita nyo po, isa po siyang gated community. Maganda po ang security ng subdivision na ito. Then, I'm here to feature Samantha model, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, minimum lot size 120 square meters, and a floor area of 80 square meters. Apology lang po sa appearance sa harap kasi puro po grass. Pero pag binili nyo yan, i-clear out naman po nila yan. By the way, single detached po yan, so you can make ikot sa inyo po, sa 4 corners of your property. So, tignan po natin ang loob. Ayan, this is the turnover unit ng Samantha model. If you can see, tiles na po, 60 by 60 ceramic tiles ang flooring. Ayan, malalaki po ang mga bintana. Then, ito po ang first na comfort room. Ayan, complete bathroom accessories. Then, ang maganda po dito is, meron pong room sa baba, so for our elders o kaya dun sa ating mga house helps. Ayan po ang kitchen. Then, going here sa labas, makikita nyo po, so actually minimum setback po sa likod is 2 meters. As I've said, single detached, makakaikot po kayo dyan. And then, ayun, meron pong maliit na sink for service area. Ayan. So, makikita nyo po, very spacious ang first floor ni Samantha model. Going sa second floor, naka-wood planks po ang mga stairs. Then, ang handrails po natin is made up of steel. Okay? Second floor, naka-tiles din po ang flooring. Here is our second bathroom with complete bathroom accessories. Then, I'm gonna show you the second bedroom. Very spacious. Mataas po ang ceiling height. Around 2.5 to 3 meters. Yan. Strategically located. Lahat po ng mga electricals natin and outlets. Here is our third bedroom. Ayan. So, meron po siyang sariling windows. Hindi na po natin kailangan mag-open ng lights during the day kasi natural lighting pa lang po. Sapat na. And welcome to our master's bedroom, the biggest room in the house. Ayan. So, magaganda po ang mga deliverables nitong ni Samantha model. Ayan. Very spacious. Ayan. But wait, there's more. Oh, Diyanan. Ayan po ang small balcony para po makita natin ang view ng Palma Real. So, ayan po. So, ang ganda po dito sa Palma Real. Feel free to inquire. Friends, families, and future clients, this is your dependable broker, Broker Nick. I'm here right now in Palma Real Residential Estates, located in the boundary of Santa Rosa and Biñan in the province of Laguna. This 28-hectare property is a joint venture project of Santa Lucia Realty Development Incorporated and Crown Central Properties Incorporated. Ayan, Palma Real Residential Estates is considered as a hidden gem among all neighboring villages in the Nuvali area. This community is strategically located in all major recreational spots and tourist spots in Santa Rosa, Laguna area. And it also has close proximity access to all major establishments such as malls, hospitals, and other commercial establishments within the area. Major point of interest with regards to hospital are South Luzon Medical Center and also Qualimed Medical Center in Nuvali. With regards to schools, very near po ang De La Salle University in Canlubang, Xavier University, and Miriam College in Nuvali. With regards to major access to highways, nandyan po ang Calax, ang South Luzon Expressway, and also the old highway connecting to Tagaytay. Pagdating naman po sa mga amenities, Palma Real can offer clubhouse and multipurpose hall. We have a covered basketball court. We have a tennis court, a badminton court, kids playground, a neighborhood park, and a serene view of the hills of Nuvali. So let's take a tour of this very beautiful community and let's enjoy the view. Tara! Guys, let me show you yung mga amenities dito sa Palma Real. So let's begin with the clubhouse. Tara! ito po yung clubhouse natin. So ito po, dito po natin pwedeng i-held yung ating mga functions, events, ayan. So pwede po nating ma-rent. Then this is the swimming pool. So right now po kasi it's ongoing cleaning, but just imagine, once mag-swimming tayo dito, ito po yung maging view natin. View po natin yung mountains of Cavite. Ayan. Then, here is our basketball court. Ang basketball court po natin is covered. So, puntahan po natin sila. Let's go. Then, ito po yun. Meron po tayong tennis court. So, this is our tennis court. Ayan. So, tennis court. Dito po, pwede po tayong mag-play. And, here is our basketball court. Yan. Ongoing repainting yung basketball court natin dito. Yan. So, kindly, pakita natin yung basketball court. Ayan po. So, ang maganda dito, kahit afternoon, pwede tayo mag-play kasi nga covered yung basketball court natin. Yan. Ito po, makikita nyo. So, opposite our clubhouse, yan, meron po tayo ditong mga greens. Yan, full of trees. And nandun po yung ating kiddie playground. Yan. So, kompleto po ng amenities dito sa Palma Real. And of course, yung view. So, napakaganda. So, nasa heart po tayo ng Laguna. So, located po ito in Binyan, Laguna. And malapit na malapit po siya sa Nuvali.